Welcome back to Ride Geek, your go-to channel for in-depth motorcycle reviews. Today, we're looking at the 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S, a bike that blends classic cruiser style with modern power and technology. Whether you're a Harley fan or just love a powerful ride, this one is worth your attention. The 2025 Low Rider S carries a blacked-out, aggressive look with bold red accents on the intake, timing cover, and derby cover. The design is inspired by the Southern California custom scene, giving it a raw and muscular appeal. The solo seat is stepped to provide support under hard acceleration, and the handlebar position ensures an aggressive but comfortable riding stance. The bike is available in 5 paint options, including the striking Mystic Shift, a factory custom color that changes from dark gunmetal to purple, blue, and even orange depending on the light. At the heart of this machine is the Milwaukee-Eight 117 high-output engine, a 1923cc V-twin powerhouse that delivers strong performance. The engine produces 104 horsepower at 4,800 revolutions per minute and 126 pound-feet of torque at 3,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring rapid acceleration and excellent highway cruising. The high-flow heavy breather intake is designed to improve airflow and add to the bike's aggressive appearance. With a compression ratio of 10.3:1, the engine is tuned to provide more power in the upper rev range, making it a thrilling ride for performance-oriented riders. Harley-Davidson has equipped the Low Rider S with several modern features to enhance the riding experience. The bike comes with a 5.75-inch LED headlight for bright and clear visibility, along with LED turn indicators and a taillight for added safety. The instrument cluster is a 4-inch analog gauge mounted on the handlebar riser, offering a blend of classic styling and digital functionality. The digital display provides essential ride data, including speed, fuel level, and trip information. The updated hand controls allow riders to activate cruise control and traction control easily. A USB-C charging port is also included, making it convenient for riders who use GPS or Bluetooth communication systems. Handling and comfort have been improved with a taller monoshock, which raises the rear for better cornering clearance. The inverted front forks provide greater front-end stability, ensuring smooth handling on both highways and winding roads. The frame geometry has been refined to enhance responsiveness without compromising comfort, making the bike well-suited for both city riding and long-distance touring. Safety is a key focus on the 2025 Low Rider S. The bike features dual 4-piston fixed front calipers with 300mm discs and a 2-piston floating rear caliper with a 292mm disc, providing strong and controlled braking performance. ABS ensures that braking remains stable even in emergency situations, while traction control helps maintain grip on slippery roads. These features make the Low Rider S a more confident and controlled ride in various conditions. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S is priced at $20,499 USD. While it sits in the premium category, it offers a solid balance of power, style, and modern features, making it a great value for those looking for a high-performance cruiser. With its powerful engine, aggressive design, and improved handling, it appeals to riders who want a mix of classic Harley heritage and modern technology. Overall, the 2025 Low Rider S stays true to Harley-Davidson's legacy while delivering modern performance and features. If you're looking for a bike that looks mean, rides aggressively, and offers a thrilling experience, this one is worth considering. That wraps up our review. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. For more motorcycle reviews, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.